What's going on, everybody? So I went down to Harbor Freight and I picked up a 5-drawer. The red tool cart that they have there, I believe it was about like 180, 190 or so. So I picked it up and this is what it looks like in the box. Hey baby, this is what it looks like in the box. So I'm gonna be unboxing this and probably setting it up, and then I'll show you guys what this cart comes with and give you my first thoughts on it. All right. So this is what it looks like when you take off the box. So that's what comes in the top when you open it up. I'm guessing this is the handle. It goes here. Fail. These must be the wheels. What else we got? Got the side tray and some brackets, some wheels, some hardware, handle. So this is it. It's put together. It wasn't too difficult, but it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to do. But other than that, it's really sturdy. Lifts up on its own. The drawers are really nice. They slide really easily. They don't get stuck. And they're on latches, so they don't open unless you push the latch. Comes with a side tray. It does come with keys, so you can lock it up. And the good thing, or it's a good or a bad thing, but if the top lid is closed, you can't open the drawers. Even if with the latch, you can't open the drawer. So it completely locks the whole box, which is good. But yeah, I mean, this is the box. Here it is. Comes with 5 drawers, I believe. Different sizes. Got 2 smaller drawers. You got 1 deep drawer. You got a full-size drawer, and then an extra large drawer on the bottom. Comes with a little storage space here. Little holes to keep like screwdrivers or pliers and stuff like that. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's a really nice box. I like it. Haven't really used it yet, so we'll see. Yeah. Thanks for watching.